And I remember from way back when learning about positive rights and negative rights and personal and economic rights. So can you cover what kinds of specific rights the Bill of Rights protects?
The Bill of Rights does protect positive rights and negative rights. That's of value really in terms of thinking about whether it is a right that government is supposed to give or whether it's a limitation on government. So, for example, when we're talking about a negative right, it seems as though our right to free exercise of religion is a positive right. But the way the First Amendment is written is Congress shall make no law doing X. So as a consequence, it really serves as a limitation on the federal government. It's not that the federal government is supposed to give free exercise rights. It's that it's not supposed to interfere with the rights that we as people have. So when we think about a negative right, we think about a right that limits the federal government. When we think about a positive right, we think about a right that the federal government in theory is supposed to give us. So an example is, say, the right to counsel. Now, even though the right to counsel used to be a negative right, it's now changed into a positive right. As a consequence, if you don't have the funds to secure counsel, federal government needs to provide counsel to you, at least in a federal trial, needs to provide right to counsel or needs to provide counsel to you. That is stated more in terms of being a positive right as opposed to a negative right. The types of rights that can be provided directly in a Constitution or through a Bill of Rights are important. Personal rights, economic rights, and political rights are common types of rights that can be provided in a Bill of Rights. Personal rights include rights of autonomy, such as freedom of conscience, privacy, and movement. Economic rights include the right to buy and sell property and similar rights. Political rights include the right to participate in government matters. Some of these rights are protected in the body of the Constitution, some are protected in the Bill of Rights, and some are protected in other constitutional amendments.